it's Sue from Createful Journals, and today I just wanted to show you how to use the 2021 calendar pack. What we did for this pack is we've used the slide master to try and make it easier and faster for you to make changes to the document. So I just wanted to show you how to do that if you're not familiar with the slide master. So once you open the file, this is the digital version. So you'll see that if you go to click on anything here, nothing is highlighted here, right? So this is because we need to go into the slide master. So if we go view and then the slide master at the top here, okay, and let that open, and now you'll see that we have different things on the different slides here. So if you wanted to change out this main background, right, you'd come up here to background styles and format background, and you're just doing how you normally would on a regular slide. The picture or texture fill, insert, let's go find a stock image. And let's just say if we wanted to insert this one for now. Right, so now you'll do that. Now if we come out of the slide master view and you go back, you'll see that it's automatically changed, and it'll be on the back of all of these slides as well. It's behind this color here. So we have to finish making all the changes. So go to view again, slide master, and now we want to come down to here. Now if we wanted to change the cover out, change the color, again it's the same idea as normal. You click on the picture format. If you wanted just to change the color here, we could go with the purple, and then you can see it changes this. The same for the spine. And then you can select your colors too if you wanted something a little darker. Let's maybe pick a color from here, and now that's changed in there. And then you come down to the next slide, and again you just have to go through and click all the changes that you want to make here. Insert the new picture, and that's if you wanted the same picture. Yeah, let's do the stock image again. So if you wanted the same image there, or you want to have something different, let's just make it the same for now. And yeah, so that's changing the background behind everything. Then again, you can change the font color and everything. So it's just a matter of going through each slide and making those changes. So this one again, let's go fill the backgrounds. It's just, you fill in everything the way you normally would. And again, you can go through all these images here, use ones for Pixabay, wherever you want to get your images from. And then again, if you wanted to change anything on the dates here, you can do that. On the calendars, if you want to change the colors, again, we'll change the coils. Oops. Yeah, picture format, we'll get the color here. Go to the color, the last color that we used. And then do the last slide, the same thing. So you have a lot less slides that you have to go and change, instead of having to change 100 once you make, oh, where did our image go? No, that one here. Oh, that one changed. For some reason it's not showing me. We can find that one again. Oh, there it is, it's moved. So select the one that you would like. For the background, change the coils. So we're changing the color in here. And again, you can use the color picker, but we're just going to stay with the same one. Okay, and then once you've made all the changes that you would like, just come out of the slide master view. And now as we go through the slide, you'll see that we've already made the changes. Right, so we scroll through these. So it's just a quick and easy way of how to do that. And again, if we want to change the font color, again, it's view, slide master, and then we'll go to, you'd have to do it on each one. So just basically come in and then change the color on everything. If you wanted to keep the purple, oops. And then we're going to change the text here. It's just taking a little while to show the changes. Okay, there we go for that one. And the same thing here, just go through. You're going to be changing the font colors. And then again, you can change any of this. You can remove it, keep it. And then you can change the word notes up here. So anything that's in this master slide, once you make the changes, every time this template is being used, it's going to change. And when you're done, just close the master slide. And that, so you can see here all the notes pages changed. Now the months didn't change because we put those in by hand, so you'd have to go through the 12 pages and then change those fonts there. And then once you've made the changes, save it, and then you can export it to your PDF. And then if you want to make more changes, again, you can either keep this copy, just go back in and change all the background slides again, or just save as a new version and then make the changes again. So that was that one. And basically it's going to be the same in the regular templates too, because again, once you click on here, anything that's in here other than what we've added, this will be highlighted because we added this manually on the slides, but anything that we did on the Slide Master is not going to be clickable in here. Right, so again, it's the same thing, view, Slide Master, and again, you start making the changes. If you want to change the color, if you just want to change the color but keep the swirly effect, you can come in here. So we could make this one peach. If you wanted to come and fill it with a different color, you can. It's just, you're not going to keep the background effect. So here would just be like a plain color, or you can come in and add, you know, gradient texture if you wanted to fill it something like that, or you want to have a wood look, you can do it that way as well. And again, it's just going through the slides here, and remember it's background style, format background, and then if you want to change the picture here, you can. So then we just go back to insert, go grab your picture as we did before. And then if you didn't want the coils in here, you can remove them, change the color, the same as the notes. You could make this bigger, remove it, anything that you want to do. If you wanted to have the margins a little differently, then you could change them here as well. We've just put in a wider margin for you. Right, and as you can see, it's only those 2 pages that you have to come and change. So it would be, if you're going to do the solid, fill or gradient, whatever you would like, or we'll just undo it. Okay, and then again, it would be coming back in and then just going and changing all the text over until you're happy with it. Let's just change the color of this box, so shape format. If you wanted to do the pale, the peach, or a gradient, the texture, we could put like a little texture in that one here, the same as the background. Format the background, we could put in textures. And you can do something like that as well. And then when we close it out, this is how every month is going to look. So everything is here for you, it's all changed. It's just a matter of going in now and changing the date up here of the month. And then if you wanted to make this into an undated calendar, it's just a matter of going in and removing all the dates from the calendar, and you can turn this into an undated calendar as well. And then we can go back up here. If you wanted this to match the yellow background here, again, view, the Slide Master, click on here, and then go pick out, yeah, the yellow color, that, so it all matches. And again, change the color in here. Let's just make this a darker peach. change the word notes. Make that a tad darker. Okay. Close out the slide master, and now we've got everything that matches there. We can have a look at it here. Let's just zoom it in a little bit more so you can see it. Right, so then that's how you can easily change the calendars. Remember to save it. So all you'd have to do here is just go back and change the color of the months. You could add in images, you could do anything that you want. So that's just a quick and easy way of to making the changes to the slides. Instead of going through every slide, you're just going through the slide master, and this is really going to be of a benefit if you're doing a journal that has 100+ pages but only maybe 10 master slides. It's easier to go change 10 than the 100 pages, obviously. So I hope that helps, and if you have any questions, just either post in the Facebook group or send us a support ticket through your members area, and we'll be happy to help you out. Okay, thank you.